So good morning students, and there was some problem, that's why I cut this. So listen, in the last chapter we have discussed about subtraction and addition, and in this chapter, in the previous class, I have discussed about multiplication. So today I will start division. Okay, so to do the divisions I have to follow some rules. To follow the rules are like that. Suppose check this, the first digit and the first digit of, check the first digit of divisor and the first digit of divisible. Okay, so first digit of divisible is greater than the first digit of divisor, so it may be divisible by this. Okay, so check 6 bhajito 2 is equals to 3. So as 6 is divisible by 2, so you have to check the whole digit multiply with 3. You have to do the multiplication 3 with the whole digit. Okay, so if we get 8445, so now see this number 8445, it is greater than 6840, so it is not possible. Is it possible? When I suppose I am dividing 4 with 2 or 5 with 2, 2 3 6, is it possible? No, it is not possible. That means this multiplication must be less than or equal to the divisible number. Okay, so here divisible number is 6840, and now why I am taking 4 digits? Because the divisor consists of 4 digits. Clear? So this 4 digits is greater than this 4 digits, so it is not possible. So now what we have to do? We have to do the multiplication 2815 with 2. That means as I have checked the multiplication with 3, so now as it is not possible, so you have to check the multiplication with the digit, with the previous digit. That means 2 is the previous digit of 3. Okay, so this multiplication will come 563, so it is 5630 is less than 6840, so it is possible. So put at 2 5630. Okay, now subtraction 0 1 2 1. Okay, so 1 2 1 0, this is smaller than this divisor. Okay, so here 4 will bring down 4, bring down 4. Okay, that means bring down only one digit here. Okay, next check 1 2, so one digit 1 is smaller than 2, so it is not possible. So now you have to take 2 digits. So here divisor digit 2 and divisible digit 12. So 12 is divisible by 2 by 6. That 12 by the 2 is equal to 6. So you have to check the multiplication 2815 with 6. Okay, we have to check the multiplication 2815 with 6. Okay, so if I do, I get 16890. So this must be greater than this, so it is not possible. So now next what you have to do? This rule, 2a multiply 2815 with previous digit, that means with 5. Okay, so if we multiply with 5, we will get 14075. 14075, again 14075, 140, again it is greater than this, so again it is not possible. It is not possible, also it is not possible. Again 2815 with, I have done with 5, next done with, do with next multiplication with 4. Okay, so if I multiply with 4, I will get 11260. So it is possible. It is smaller than 12104. So here we put 4 and 11260. So 4 4 1 3 8. Now you say 80 divisible by 2, and it become 4. 8 by the 2 become 4. So now we have to multiply this with 4. We have to do multiplication with this 4. But if we do multiplication with 4, I will get this. So it is not possible because 11260 is greater than this number. So we have to multiply with 3, and I have done this multiplication before. If I multiply 2815 with 3, I will get 8445. So here I put 3 and 8445. So there quotient is 243, remainder is 0. Understand the division? I am discussing again. At first check the first digit of divisor and divisible number. Okay, so as 6 is divisible by 2 by number 3, so multiply the whole number with 3. Okay, as 6 is divisible by 2 with 3, so multiply whole number with 3. So if I multiply 3, we will get 8445. So 8445 is greater than 6840. So it is not possible. So then what we have to do? We have to do the multiplication with the previous digit of 3. With the previous digit of 3. What is the previous digit of 3? It is 2. Now multiply 2 with the whole number. So now we get 5630. I put 5630, then subtraction 1210. Now bring down only one digit. Okay, 4 will come. Now 12104. Okay, now as first digit 1 here, first digit 2. 1 is not divisible by 2, so here we take 2 digits. So when one digit is not divisible, we take 2 digits. Here 2 digits means 12. So 12, 2, 6, 12. 12 is divisible by 2 with 6. Okay, so multiply whole number with 6. So after multiplication we get 16890. So it is greater than this number. So it is not possible. So follow the next process. We have to do a multiplication with the previous number 5. So after multiplying 5, I will get 14075. It is again greater than this number, so it is not possible. Again multiply with 4, next digit or previous digit 4. After multiplying 4, we will get 11260, which is less than this number. So now do the subtraction will become 844. Again bring down 5. Okay, now the same process. 8 is divisible by 2 with 8 is divisible by 2 by 4. So we have to do the multiplication 4 with whole digit. So after multiplying 4 with the digit number, whole number, sorry, not digit, whole number, we will get this. So it is greater than this digit or this number. So you have to do the multiplication with the previous digit, that means with 3, and I have done this multiplication before. So after multiplying 3, we get 2815 into 3 is equals to 8445. 845. Now subtraction, it will be 0. So here quotient is 243 and remainder is 0. So this is the answer. Okay. Now 7C. We have to, this is the divisor, 92184. Okay, now here 9, here 4. So if 9 is not divisible by 4, but if I do 4 into 3 is equals to 12, which is greater than 9, so it is not possible. So if I do 4 into 2, I will get 8. So if I do 4 into 3, I will get 12, which is greater than 9, so it is not possible. Greater than 9, it is not possible. So 4 into 2 means 8, which is less than 9, so it is possible. Okay, so multiply whole number with 2. So 46 into 2 is equals to 92. So here we put 2 and we get 92. Okay, bring down one digit, 1. Now see, 1 is divisible by 4 or 46. Whole number 1 is less than 46, so it is not possible. So here quotient is 0, remainder is 1. Here for this case quotient is 0, remainder is again 1. Okay, So now bring again one digit. Okay. Now 18. 18 is again less than 46. Again the division is not possible. Again the division is not possible. So again quotient is 0, remainder is 18. So quotient are 0, remainder 18. So bring down one digit, 84. Now see 4 and here 1 not possible. So 4, 2 digit 18. So 18 is not divisible by 4. Okay. So 4 into 5 is equals to 20, which is greater than 18. So it is not possible. Okay. So if we do 4 into 4 is equals to 16, which is less than 18, and it is possible. So multiply whole number with 4. If we multiply whole number with 4, we will get 184. Sorry. Minus, so 0. So here quotient is 2004, remainder 0. Clear the process? Clear the process? Again I am discussing. We have to take one digit and one digit. 9. 9 is not divisible by 4, but if we so we have to see what number we have to multiply. If we multiply with 4, we will get 12. So 12 is greater than 9. So here 12 is greater than 9. So this multiplication is not possible. Okay. That means again I have discussed earlier, the multiplication must be less than or equal to the divisible number. Suppose for example, suppose you have to 2 is the divisor, 5 is the divisible. Okay. Divisible number which I have to divisible. So if we do 2 into 3, we will get 6. So is it possible? This is not possible. But if we do 2 into 2, it will become 4. So then it is possible. That means this multiplication must be less than this number or equal to this number. This multiplication must be less than this multiplication. This multiplication must be less than or equals to the number which have to divisible. Okay. Okay. So here, so we have to do now multiplication with 2. So 46, if we do 46 into 2, we get 92. So 2, 92, 0. So one number will bring down, one digit will bring down 1. Again 1 is less than 46, so division is not possible. So here quotient is 0, remainder is again 1. So quotient 0, remainder 1. Okay. Then bring down one digit. Okay. So again 18 is less than 46. So again this is not possible. So here quotient is 0, remainder is 18 again. Now bring down one digit, 4. Now this division is now possible. 184, 4, 18, 4, 5, 20. 20 is greater than 18, which is not possible. 4 into 4 is 16. It is possible, or it may be possible. So if we do 46 into 4, we will get 184. So 46 into 4, 4 is the quotient, and 184. So remainder is 0. Clear? Okay. 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 Now nine B 165. This is very 9630. Follow the division carefully. Again now check 1 and 9. 1 and 9. So 9 is divisible by 1 easily. 1 into 9 is equals to 9. Okay. But for this case, I say don't follow this. If you don't follow the 1, don't check the 1, now only one digit, because this digit, any digit is divisible by 1. 4 is divisible by 1, 5 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 1, 7 is divisible by 1, 8 is divisible by, all the digits are divisible by 1. So for when 1 is given, so I say check the division with 2 digit. Check the division with 2 digits. So here take 2 digits and here also 2 digits. Clear why I am saying this? Because all the digits are divisible, all the digits are divisible by 1, all the digits are divisible by 1. So when you do the division, then we will get large calculation or very big calculation, or many number of there is a number of multiplication we have to do. For that, for the simplification, I say when in the divisor there 1 is given, you will follow, or you will take 2 digits, you will take 2 digits. Clear? Because if you take only 1 digit, 1, this digit is divisible by 9. So if we do the multiplication with 9, I will get a large number with this, this number. So for, and we have to do number of multiplication, we have to do the number of multiplication. To simplify this, I say you will take 2 digits, and here also 2 digits. Here 96, here 16. 96 division 16, it is divisible by 6. Okay, so now you check the division with 6, multiplication with 6. Okay, so 165 into 16. If I do this multiplication, 165 into 16 na 6, I will get 990. Now you say 990 is greater than or less than this 963. 990 is greater than 963. As I had discussed earlier, this multiplication must be less than or equal to this digit, this number. So here 990 is greater than 930. So this is not possible. So now we have to multiply with 5, the previous digit of 6. So if I do the multiplication with 5, I will get 8 to 5. So this is less than 930. So this is possible. So here we write 5 and I will get 8 to 5. Clear? So sums has been done already. Okay, so here the problem is how many digits should we take. Okay, we do not take 1 digit here in this case, because any digit here is divisible by 1. So that's why for when in the divisor there the first digit is 1, I recommend you to take 2 digits. Okay, here 2 digits and here also 2 digits. Clear? Okay, now subtraction. Okay, it will become a 138. Break down 0. Okay, now see 2 digits 16, here 2 digit 13. Okay, so 13 is less than 16, so it is not possible. So division is not possible. That means I cannot divide 13 with 16. Okay, now for this case I have to take 3 digits. That means 138. Now check 138 division 16. So table of 16 8 144. 16 into 8 144, which is greater than 138, so it is not possible. Again, so for this divisions, I say you have to remember the table carefully. Minimum 1 to 20 table. Okay, so we have to check the division 138 division 16. So to check this, now I am taking 16 into 8, 16 into 8, no, 16 into 9. 16 into 9 is equals to 144, which is greater than 138, so which is not possible. Again, 16 into 8 is equals to 128. Right? 8 6 4 8 6 48 8 4 8 8 8 4 12. So 128 is less than 138, so it may be possible. So now I check the multiplication. 165 into 8 is equals to 85 40 0 4 carry 86 48 48 2 a 4 52 52 2 5 will be carry 81 85 13. So 1320. So 1320 is less than 1380. So this is possible. So here we write 8 at the quotient and here 1320. Now division, subtraction. subtraction 60. So here the quotient is 58 and remainder 60. Remainder 60. Clear this. Okay, again I am discussing here 9, here 1 digit, but no, the any number is divisible by 191. If there is 8, so 188. If there is 7, 177. So any number is divisible by 1. So for this case, that means when there is 1 at the first place in the divisor, so I say you take 2 digits. So here I take 16, here also 2 digit, 96. So 96 is divisible by 16. 96 division 16 is equals to 6. So multiply this whole number with 6. So I will get 990, which is greater than 963. Here the number is 963. Sorry. Which is greater than 963. So it is not possible. So for this case, I have to do the multiplication with the previous digit. That means 165 into 5. Here we get 825. 825 is less than 963. So this is possible. So here we write at the quotient 5. Here 825. Now the subtraction will get 138. So now one digit will bring down. We bring down one digit. So 0. Again 16, 13. So 13 is less than 16. 13 is less than 16. So this is not possible. So now we have to take 3 digits. So now the table of 16 into, now check the division. 138 division 16. So 16 into 9 is equals to 144, which is greater than 138. So this is not possible. 16 into 8 is equals to 128, which is less than 138. So it may be possible. It may be or may not be. Okay. Here, after multiplication, we get 13220, which is less than 1380. So here we can write this. In many of case, 8 may not be possible. Then we have to multiply with this with 7. Clear? That means we have to check the multiplication at first. Check the multiplication. We will get 1320. This is less than 1380. Now right here 8 will be the quotient, and we will now subtraction. So after subtraction we get quotient is 58, remainder is 60. So clear? So here your home task number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10 and number 11. This is your home task. 6, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All the maths of this number. All the sums of this number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear? Okay. So thank you.